the norm would have run the show. If it was that easy. So for someone to get up and go like, no, I firmly believe in this. I think that if I do X, Y, Z in this way, I'll be successful at it. But yes, welcome the different perspectives. It doesn't mean it has to make you different. It's like basically how maybe you go to a washing bay. You know the new washing bays where the car is driving but it's getting washed.
Yep.
That's literally what it is. So taking the foam, taking the brush, taking the water and everything is not there to spoil your car. It's just helping you to clean out, have different perspective, see how best you can include that in your script, your direction. But it starts with you. A couple of months ago, one of my very good big brothers, Prince Etonam, shout outs to you, Chief. He said, we're having a conversation, and he said something about anybody's goat is nobody's goat. Anybody's goat is nobody's goat. Essentially, let's assume it was raining, and let's not use a goat, a dog, and there wasn't clarity on where this dog is from, who the dog is. Is it your dog? And it starts raining. I will assume it's your dog. You assume it's my dog, so the rain will beat that dog. Bringing this thing back, if you're not firm with your direction, firm with who you are, how different you are, you'll be blown anywhere. If anything comes, you are in there. No. Yes, maybe I'll be seeing a lot during parties, during events, during stuff. People think I'm partying. Well, there's that. And there's also how I know that is where the meat is. I'm networking there. There's certain people who've had such significant roles in my life. I can't miss their events. I'll be there from morning to evening. Even if I'm late, I will stay to the last person. And it looks as if this guy, why doesn't have anything to do? Why is he dancing like that? No. We are there for a purpose. I embrace who I am. I know how the impact that I have on the people around me. So yes, I won't show up and be a Kofi. I'm a proper Kweku. Yeah.
What mindset have you stuck with that has helped you so far?
Mindset, wow. Well, maybe I'll start first. God first. God first. Because, Chief, I've been through so much ups and downs. I've been in situations where